In 2025, Sneaker Politics continued to solidify its reputation as one of the leading independent sneaker boutiques in the global footwear scene. After successful collaborations with ASICS and Adidas, along with steady expansion of its physical retail presence, the brand is carrying strong momentum into 2026. They recently revealed an official teaser for their next collaboration titled Sportsman's Paradise. While only a close-up view of the tongue has been shared, it already offers a clear preview of the overall design direction. The Saucony Progrid Omni 9 features layered suede textures, including a hairy suede tongue paired with smoother suede around the lace collar. Light green jersey mesh lines the interior, while bright aqua sport mesh highlights the tongue and upper underlays. The Sportsman's Paradise concept reflects an athletic foundation blended with Southern-inspired details connected to Sneaker Politics' New Orleans roots. More details, images, and release information are expected ahead of the January 17 launch.